welcome to Cardinal Home Center. What's your name?
My name is Sam Shell.
Sam Shell. What projects are you working on today?
I fix and repair old houses. So right now we're working on a bunch of repairs on the back of an old house here in Staunton.
What type of repairs are you doing back there?
Siding, framing, and we're doing some deck repairs as well.
Very good. So you came out here to the Staunton location of Cardinal Home Center. What are you picking up for that project today?
Getting some treated material.
Okay, give us some details.
Got some 4x4s, some decking, and some framing materials, and some joist hangers, all that good stuff.
So you got a busy couple days ahead of you.
Oh yeah.
What is it that brings you to Cardinal Home Center? What do you like about it here?
I had been driving to Crozet to go to the home center out there, and when they brought Cardinal here, I was thrilled. Great customer service, great product lines. They've got everything I need, and if they don't have it on site, they can get it for me. So that really helps.
Very good. So it sounds like you're pretty pleased that you've got one, a Cardinal much more local to you. What would you tell somebody that's thinking about coming out to Cardinal Home Center?
Come shop. Yeah, seriously. And if you have questions, ask the guys. They know what they're talking about, and they can help you find what you need too. And Leslie's great at the paint center. She's bailed me out of more projects, problems in my projects. So, everybody here is just great, really helpful, great products, and that's why I come.
Very good. Well, thank you so much. I hope you have a successful project.
All right, appreciate it.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Yep.